Hi friends, welcome to Baruch Forex Trading Academy. Today I'll be sharing with you another simple and easy method to realize profitable Forex or stock trade with good money management. Before we start, I would like to remind you as usual, all the information in this video is for educational purpose and should not be considered as financial advice. Okay, let's have a look what's happening on this currency pair. Okay, this strategy is called inside bar strategy. Okay, what is inside bar? Inside bar is, or inside candle, is basically a candle that being contained within the range of the previous candle. So in this case, this is a previous candle and this is the candle called inside bar, meaning the high of the candle is lower than the high of the previous candle. Same thing, the low of the candle is lower, slightly higher than the previous low. Okay, so this is called inside bar. So in order to use this strategy, first of all, you need to plot the simple moving average, 21 simple moving average, to identify the trend. When I say trend, is a downtrend and uptrend. Okay, so if you look at this area, there is no trending here because it's flat, right? So here is very clear, it's a downtrend. Okay, so when you see the downtrend, first thing you need to look for the inside bar. Okay, once the inside bar is formed, so what you need to do is you set the entry. For example, this is a downtrend, so you are going to sell. So you set the entry sell about 5 pips from the previous candle low. Okay, previous candle low. Then you set the stop loss 50 pips from the high of the previous candle. Okay, so in this case you don't have to do anything. Once you set, just close the computer, shut the computer and wait. So when this candle is moved below the trigger, then your trade is being captured, meaning your trade is on. So you don't have to worry, it will go down, it may come back, but as long as this point, the high of the candle, doesn't hit your stop loss, you are still in trade. So let the market keep going, right? So when you see the market coming down, so it's up to you how you want to set the profit taking. I would say you have to go with the good risk management that which will suit for you. For example, if you set 50 pips here as a stop loss, then if I go with the risk ratio 1 to 2, then I will set 100 pips and I'll be happy with 100 pips that I'm going to get eventually. Okay, so it's up to you guys, but I don't like to dictate what is your risk ratio that you want to set, but my proposal is 1 to 2. Okay, now one more thing, this strategy only work in daily chart. That is what I will recommend, because I'm using daily chart. I don't look at 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart. It may work for you, but I only use daily chart. Let's look at another chart. Okay, if you look at this chart, first of all you need to identify the trend. Clearly the trend is going up. So what you need to do next is look for the inside candle. So this is the inside candle. Okay, so once you identify the inside candle, Now you set the trigger 5 pips from the previous candle high and stop loss 50 pips from the previous candle low. Okay, so if you can see in this chart, as you can see in the chart, the candle goes up, comes down. Of course, when you have trend, most of the time the market will come and retest whether the price is getting the support here, right? So you don't have to worry as long as it doesn't need your stop loss. See, after it finds this support here, then the market should out. So in this case, based on your risk management, if you set stop loss of 50, then you can set 1 to 2, maybe probably about 100. Probably your trade is close here, right? But based on your experience, like people like me, I will set somewhere here. That's based on my experience. Yeah, I will conduct more classes in future. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that whenever I put new strategy, whenever I wanted to share a new technique, you will get the notification. Okay, got it? Now it's your turn. Please identify the inside bars. This is a downtrend, right? This is clearly a downtrend. Now, knowing that this is a downtrend, okay, you may look at this as an inside bar and you may take the trade. Yeah, you can, because this is a support area. Once it breaks the support, you are in the game. Okay, but I like to take the trade somewhere in this area because this is more I would say is more I'm getting more assurance because I can see the price has retested this moving average and try to penetrate but can't. Finally it drops and come and retest again, drops, right? So in this case, I may look at this as my inside bar. Then I'll set the sell stop here and let the trade captured here. Okay, you can also do here, but the thing is when you want to set up a stop loss, right? Your stop loss is pretty high because this candle is very high. So that's the reason that I prefer to take the trade here, because this candle, the size compared to this candle is pretty big. Okay, or you may think that you can also take the inside bar here. Why not? This is a good you have a good risk ratio here. You can. Okay, so again my advice is you must see a clear downtrend. Okay guys, if you have any question, you can always communicate with me. This is my email address. Okay, let's meet in the another episode. Till then, I suggest you to try this method. Perhaps you can do the back test to see if this method is really suit for you, or suit your trading style and give you the desired result. Okay, don't forget, please subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new strategy, new technique. Okay, and please share with your friends as well, because your friends may need your help as well. So let's learn together and be successful Forex trader. Okay guys, bye.